Amit, it's great to talk to you. Tell me why solar companies are no longer a terrible investment like they generally have been over the past 10 years or so.
Thanks for having me on. We think that, just in looking at the solar sector, we think the value proposition to customers is actually substantially improved from in the past. In the past, really, it was just a matter of either kind of consumers having a kind of a preference for green energy. But when we think about things in terms of kind of price versus what they pay to their current incumbent utility, value in terms of if they're going to invest in an electric vehicle, that's going to substantially increase their electrical usage. And then more importantly, and as we've seen recently, reliability is an increasing concern as the frequency and duration of outages have increased pretty much across every utility service territory. We think that people are very interested now in taking a look at solar and pairing it with a residential battery system that really kind of increases the value of the solar system itself. And the reliability aspect of it as well. We
have these people who walk our neighborhood, Amit, and push, solar panels. And I love, I say, how much time do you have? And I ask them all these questions because it really is fascinating. But it hasn't been a great investment. So a lot of people are bullish on the inverter names that you mentioned, like Enphase and SolarEdge. But why do you think that residential solar with names like Sunrun and Sunnova can be a good investment here? I mean, these business models have not traditionally performed well.
So, I think it really comes down to a price. I mean, I think that's one of the things that we wanted to highlight in our report was that when we think about decarbonization, we're not just thinking about kind of removing kind of carbon from energy usage. If you look at some of the states that these guys operate in, they're substantially cheaper now in terms of kind of what the incumbent utilities. And we also think that utility rates are set to rise pretty substantially from here. Mm-hmm. So we think the value proposition is actually getting better. And then finally, we really do think that having a battery in your home to kind of pair with your utility, with your PV system is kind of a game changer for the industry. It's a reliability product they couldn't offer before.
Yes.
So I think it's a big difference this time.